Hello friends. So today we learn some items. They are called negative, positive, polarity items. Example, some and any. Some is positive and any is negative. You say I have some money. I have some money. Negative will be I don't have any money. So that will be the negative. So this some you say this positive polarity and any will say negative polarity. Polarity. So it is given there now. That means it is attracted towards the negative. Polarity means attracted towards the negative. Like that you have got somebody, someone, something, somewhere, somewhat, somehow. And anybody, anything, any longer, any more, anyone, anywhere. I will write on the, here, so for that it will be easy for you. Negative. Negative is you have with any combinations of the any, anybody, anything, any longer, anybody, anything, any longer, any more, anywhere. So these are negative polarity. Anybody, anyone, anybody, anything, any longer, any more, anywhere, anyone, anybody or anyone. Negative polarity. Positive we have somebody, someone, somewhere, somewhat, somehow, somebody, someone, together, somewhere, somewhat, somehow, something, somewhere, something. Yes. So these are positive polarity items. Then we have got another set is still and yet. Still, negatives are any more, any longer, and yet already is positive, already, and yet is negative. Now let's start. Examples will clear things. See, negative. I haven't met anybody. I haven't met anyone. I don't know anybody. I don't know anyone. Anything. I haven't seen anything. Anywhere. For this. I haven't seen anything anywhere. Then they do not live here anymore. They don't love any longer. They don't love any longer. Clear? Like when you come to somebody, this, I have seen somebody. I have seen someone. He has gone somewhere. He has done it somewhat well. Somehow he has managed it. He has taken something. All positive sentences. You cannot say he has taken anything. You cannot say. He has done it. He hasn't done it anyhow. Somehow. You cannot do it. He has done it. He has done it somehow. Like that somewhat. See? He has done it somewhat well. He has done it somewhat well. He has gone somewhere. You cannot say he has gone anywhere. He has gone somewhere. I have met somebody. I have met someone. So those are positive polarity items. Means appearing in positive sentences. Negative sentences here you can see. I haven't seen anybody. Questions also. Have you seen anybody? That is anything. I haven't seen anything. And still, I am still living here. They are still living here. They don't live here. They are not living here anymore. They are still living here. Well, that is, see, that is, you have a positive sentence like this. They are still living here. Negative. They aren't living here anymore. Anymore or any longer. Anymore or any longer. That's clear. Same thing. I have already done it. I have already done it. Negative B. I haven't done it yet. So that is negative. So same with questions also. Have you done it yet? We don't say have you done it already. Have you done it yet? Have you completed the work yet? That's it. Not have you completed the work already. But positive sentence you say, affirmative sentence, I have already done it. Have you done it yet? That will be the question. Okay. So that is positive, negative. Now, there are 2 or 3 words used only, we can say, in the negative. Now positive. Much, at all, a bit. Much, at all, a bit. These are the no positive corresponding positive. No positive corresponding. No corresponding positive expression. Understand? Only negative. So negative polarity. Example, I haven't taken much. I haven't taken much. I have taken much. No. I haven't taken much. That's negative. I haven't seen him at all. I haven't, or he hasn't done it. He hasn't done it at all. Negative. No. He hasn't done a bit of it. Or he hasn't taken a bit of it. That is negative, only negative. I haven't taken much. And he hasn't done it at all. He hasn't taken a bit of it. Instead of he, you can have she, he, they. I can say I haven't done it at all. Whereas, have you done it? No, I haven't done it at all. Because I don't like it. He hasn't taken a bit of it. I haven't taken a bit of it. So these are only used in negative. Sorry. I think it is clear now. So, expression like any, anybody, anything, any longer, anymore, anyone, anywhere. See? These are used only in negative sentences. But you have got expressions with some combinations we have. Somebody, someone, something, somewhere, somewhat, somehow. Only positive sentences. Okay. Still is used with positive. Corresponding negative is anymore, any longer. I love her still. I don't love her anymore. I don't love her anymore or any longer. Already is positive, yet is negative. I have already done it. I haven't done it yet. What's up for question set? Then used only negative, much at all, a bit. He hasn't, he does not have much money. He does not have much money. You cannot say he has much money. He does not have much money. He hasn't done it at all. They haven't taken a bit of it. A bit of it. So these are positive and negative. And now we are now dealing with negation. So that therefore, you should also keep these things in your mind. You get a sentence like this sometimes. He still lives here. Rewrite in the negative. He does not still live here. You cannot say. A sentence like this. There are some tricky sentences like that, you know. So you have what? He still lives here. He still lives here. Negative. Rewrite, change that into negative, or rewrite in the negative. So if you write like this, suppose you write like this, he does not still live here. That is wrong. He does not still live here. What is the meaning? You have to say, he does not live here anymore or any longer. That is it. What the fact? And then again you have got a problem like this. He goes to school every day. He goes to school every day. What's the negative? You cannot write, you cannot say, he does not go to school every day. Okay? He does not go to school every day. Does it have sense? You have to say, he does not go to school on all days. Then there is sense. On all days. So this is how we have to change in the negative. I think it is clearly. So remember this, put out the killer virus. Shut out all its spies. Put up a tough fight and flush out the killer. Hope that you will keep this in your mind till we meet again. Bye. Have a nice time. Use this time for your studies. Bye.